sakay?
Alam mo sakay mo?
Oo.
Ya, okay ra. Sige, okay ra ko. Wala problema. Si
Salamat
Perla, di
dito.
naman din sponsor si Perla. Okay, ayan. Saan ka? Ayaw. Dili, kita magkuyog ni mama ni mo na naman siya din ha. Kita lang kay magkuyog man niyang papa o mama sa ha? Hindi naman masud dito sa mga. Hindi lang ta. Okay? Kuyog ta na.
Kita energy kita uban.
Sige, tara. Ato ta. Magkumpay tayo.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. I know you feel where I'm coming from. Regardless of the things
Wala man nagkatang sila mga magpapasli. Pushing! Ano nang sabka gisapot?
Sapot gyud dili jud mura.
Isa nang kunay yung mood swings. Wadyo ko sabot ana.
Naglagot ko ni Vincent.
Nag-Vincent lang ka? Mo mag-imong dungan?
Baby, I gotta have some more. Turn the track up. What's it gonna take to get a score? Turn the beat up, yeah. Got me like a fiend banging on the floor. I think I want some of that. Why don't you leave me on the floor? And then
Step into my office, would you like to try to sample the taste?
Sorry, you can bring it. Dugay mi. Ah, okay rin. Kami manggani unta ang mga iyo pasaylo nga nalangan, may kay subaw ka na niya. Kamu ganyatin mo niyo. Okay ra pre. Pre, pili ako obligasyon.
Wana.
Bayad na sa pagkaon.
Ayaw lagi pre.
Dede mahimo na og
Di ko masugutan ha.
dili.
Ako boss ko nimo, tatapugos kayo.
Kapalay na inoon eh. Kay ako kami maoy ni pasaling nga mubangka. Kay kabaw ka pre. Dini nga impas na nga among bay sa pag-ibig.
Oo ba?
Oo. Yung una nga kami unta may mo bangka ba.
Sa sunod kayo na lang, next time na lang.
Sure ka?
Okay.
Sige. Uy, basig malangan ang atong suroy-suroy kay mag-MC pag ko sa
Bitaw.
CPRC. Ba?
Alas 2 na ba yung appointment, Vince?
Oo, pero sa mga binilanggo ba? Doon na may slide show doon. Pero,
Ang bahin noon.
okay ra. Okay ra. Tangan ha?
Kunya, ato na lang kanta. Tingaling malate na ka, Vince.
Sige.
Sige.
Tara.
Sige na rin, ha?
Okay.
Sige.
Pagsunod lang mo.
Pare. Pre.
'Cause I get 1,000 hugs from 10,000 lightning bugs as they tried to teach me how to dance. A foxtrot above my head, a sock hop beneath my bed, a disco ball is just hanging by a thread. With a bottle of Jack, 'cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on our toes, trying on all our clothes. Boys blowing up our phones. Drop top and playing our favorite CDs, pulling up to the parties, trying to get a little bit tipsy. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ gonna speak us up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Make it pop, DJ gonna speak us up tonight.
Sige, kining hindi lang mo ha. Kaya mo inquire lang ko dito sa suot.
Vince, balik ka ba yan? Ikaw ba yung imbitado?
Ay, lagi ay kabala ka. Relax lang mo din eh. Kaya mangutana ko sa suot. Mag-inquire po bahin sa show. Ha?
Sige, Vince.
Sige. Dala mo.
Dali, Marie. Abot na kita sa provincial jail, Marie. Dili, ibalhin ang provincial jail. Kani ato, dito ni sa Martires. Bakit man dahil nga si Marie, no? All good, Marie. So, das ato pag-abot na to, no? Gusto na itong giagian. Pero okay, saan ba yan? Marie, sikat na kayo ni mga piniriso ni Marie. I-claim man na sila nga international artist.
Ito, you're right ta.
Ya ma, tugtad ka ta diri nga outsider man ta.
Di sa tingali may tabuhay nga dito pasidlon.
Kaya ina kong ikuha si Pare Vincent kung sa mga mabinsi siya ng programa.
Pa, wala ta ka nag-civilian. Nag-uniform ta ka. Baka may bawa na pulis ka.
Lalaan may assignment. Lalaan may box. Pero, kung may kabong kung ito box nga magkita niya, pero plano nga, kapita mo ako mag-uniform, ay plano nga ina nila.
Oh, Carla. Oh, tara.
Vince!
Ready na, okay na.
Oo ba? Oh, sige, let's go!
Okay, okay. Tuloy, tuloy.
The party don't stop now.
Paris, tanglay Paris na.
Tanda lang, Paris na ikaw po.
Okay, so prepare your cameras, your video cams. Don't worry, here at CPDRC you are very safe. Okay, you are very safe. You cannot even hear our inmates whistle, our inmates during their performance or while you are there. Now, our inmates are also earning. Kaya sabtang niya sila sa soul sa pinaguan, aduna sab sila kita. They are earning. And they are selling their products. For example, this one. Bags. These are important. These bags are also for export. Okay? Or made of recycled materials. This one is an ashtray. Okay? Or you can buy their t-shirts. You can wear this anytime when you go to SM or Ayala. Okay, and please enjoy the... So, to our latecomers, welcome to CPDRC. This is the only jail facility in the country that has this kind of feature where we teach our inmates, because before this used to be their routinary exercise. But you know, exercise is a boring activity. I mean, of course you perspire, but it becomes boring exercise. So, we thought that by injecting music into their exercise, we hired, doon na yung i-hire nga choreographer. Now, later on, today, during the presentation, you will see up close and personal our inmates, 1,500 of them, doing about 15 dance numbers, including the very popular Thriller. Now, few months ago, the personal choreographer of Michael Jackson, named Travis, Mr. Travis Payne, was here.
Sige, kanya. Sige, tara.
Oh, sige, Vince. Magpaabot lang din ikaw sa show, ha?
Yan, tumog ka rin ha kay Sino. Sige.
Sige pa.
Mer, ha?
Sige, pre.
Sige, pre. Mare. May bawa, pre. Ha? Hindi na enjoy, ha? Enjoy kay trabaho na ko dito. Sige.
Dili na importante, anak. Huwag sa kumamutana ni Bes kung napilay inagpigan ka ni. Pero, ang labing importante nga nalingaw ta, di ba, pre? Mare?
Oo, ilingaw ka yung miss.
Nalingaw ka? Ha, Shaper? Ikaw, Jinkin. Kasama ikaw, Don Don?
Okay, pas, all right, ma'am.
Welcome to CPDRC and welcome to our show. Okay, friends, ladies and gentlemen, to start with, our celebrity dancing inmates will now do the grand entrance of colors to the beat of 2000.
hustle.